What's going on, everybody? I've been working on a new intro to all my videos, and I don't know if this is going to be the finished product yet, but check this out and let me know what you think.
Those are nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Yeah, so I've been wanting to change my intro for quite a while now because, quite frankly, it has my old bike, you know what I mean? And everybody that I've told about wanting to change the intro, every single person is like, you have to keep the same song. So, but anyway, man, I was getting tired of not having a video to upload, and I don't want to do those face-to-faces in front of the camera any more than I really have to. So I finally have found a decent day to take the bike out. It just rained yesterday, so that's why the road is looking a little damp, and it's finally reached above 30, man. It's actually 50 right now, and that is definitely warm enough for me. 30 degrees is just too cold, man. But I do have a topic to talk about today, and it's really sad that I even have to talk about it like this day and age, but it has to do with small YouTubers, and more specifically small moto vloggers like myself. And for some reason there's like some kind of stigma around moto vlogging that it's like some kind of a joke to everyone else, you know what I mean? It's like as soon as someone finds out that I'm a moto vlogger, it's like a roast fest, you know what I mean? And like whatever, like I can take good roasting, you know what I mean? Like my skin's not that thin, and if you're not into it, you're not into it. That's cool, man. I really don't expect everybody to be into this kind of content, you know what I mean? It's truly not for everybody. It's all right to not like my content. It's all right to not like moto vlogging. What's not all right is to go out of your way and take time out of your day to openly mock and attempt to humiliate me or any YouTuber because they don't have 1 million subscribers, because they don't have 100,000 views on every single video. It's really sad that I have to even talk about this, because like I'm a grown man, you know what I mean? I'm not even in my 20s anymore. I'm 30 years old. And the reason for this whole thing coming up is because I had a personal experience not too long ago where I posted something on a group, not even motorcycle related, and these trolls like took time out of their day to like go on my profile. Mind you, I don't have a private profile, you know what I mean? I'm not scared of people. I'm not scared of people knowing me or what I do or who I am, you know what I mean? I'm not scared of that type of shit. I don't care if you know who I am. But anyway, I digress. So these internet trolls decide to go on my Facebook page, and for some reason, you know, like I said, the original post had nothing to do with like motorcycles or even me for that matter, but these fucking rejects went on my page, found out that I'm a moto vlogger, decided to start making fun of me about it, and all the meanwhile I'm like taking it like with a grain of salt, like why are you so obsessed with me, bro, to the point where you have to creep on my page, go through my you know, about me section, and not only that, but share one of my videos. All along, man, I was just like busting balls right back, like, why are you so obsessed with me? But like it got to the point where like a shit ton of people started doing the same, you know what I mean? Like I can handle like a few guys, you know what I mean? Like I am not someone that easily backs down, you know what I mean? Like I have a good amount of pride, and my ego is too inflated to let a few guys get the better of me. So I didn't. But the point where it became too much is when everybody and their brother decided to start chiming in and giving their 2 cents about like moto vloggers, you know what I mean? It came to the point where it was like bullying, you know what I mean? Like a shit ton of dudes ganging up on me. And keep in mind, the original post had nothing to do with this shit. One of the trolls just went onto my Facebook profile, found out that I was a moto vlogger, and it fucking began from there, you know what I mean? Snowball. It got to the point where I actually just deleted the post because like I'm not gonna try to keep up with like a reply every second that goes by, you know, because there were so many of them. My phone's just like blowing up with all this shade and all this hate, and it's just like how old are we, you know what I mean? But this video isn't about talking about my personal experience. It's about telling you as a small YouTuber, if you do this kind of thing, to not let like rejects like that like interfere with you and your grind, you know what I mean? Like you have to stay positive, and you have to persevere through these morons showing all this hate and shade to you. And you want to know what the sad part of it is is that 9 times out of 10, these dudes who are throwing all this shade at you at the moto vlogging community are bikers themselves, you know what I mean? Like, where's the brotherhood and the camaraderie? You know what I mean? Like, it seems like these dudes are just like fresh out of high school, they get a grocery bagging job, they make enough money to buy their little Gixxer 600, and they ride in their fucking sandals and flip-flops. You know what I mean? And those are the dudes that are making fun of you about it. And to let those idiots like affect you in any way is just asinine. Because at the end of the day, they are the ones that are going home alone. They're the ones that are so lonely that they have to take time out of their pathetic day to throw some unwarranted shade at you. It's really just wild to think about, you know what I mean? Like, these dudes are going out of their way, taking time out of their oh so precious day to make fun of your hobby. You know, it's just fucking bizarre to me, you know? You know, it's whatever. If you don't like the content, just move on. Scroll by. So I'm in a bunch of Facebook groups for moto vlogging, for YouTube, for being a YouTuber, you know? And this also applies to all you guys, because I know some of you might be watching this. So what I would love for you guys to do for me, if you are a content creator yourself, big or small, most likely small if you're watching one of my videos, do me a favor and leave me a comment below if you've ever experienced you know, someone like hazing you for being a YouTuber, you know what I mean? And let me know how you handled it. I'm really curious to know who else has experienced this and what they did to you know, handle the situation. You know me, man, I'm all about the discussion, so let's make this just that. And even if you're not a content creator, like if you have somebody throwing shade at you for such a trivial reason, let me know. Let me know how you handled it. Because believe me, this isn't the first time this has happened to me. You might remember a certain video from Tennessee on the tail of the dragon with a certain tractor trailer. That video certainly got a whole bunch of shade, especially on Facebook. Not so much on YouTube, but on Facebook, yeah. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I just wanted to get that off my chest as far as like the whole bullying thing, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, obviously I went to school, I was heavily on the receiving end of the bullying, and you wanna what? I'm just not gonna let it affect me nowadays, you know what I mean? I'm older and I'm wiser, and I can see how truly pathetic and lonely those guys are that do that type of shit, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's like because I'm the loser, or if it's just, like I said, like a stigma around moto vlogging. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, please. I'm very interested in your thoughts. But like I said, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm John.com. My front-facing camera died, so I have to wave you out on my chin mount. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Later.
Nice meme.